guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out another pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Now this model right here is the Redmi AirDots S, and it's the same company as Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a company that is worth billions of dollars, and this product right here is one of their most famous wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out. These are going to cost $25.99 for the earbuds itself. If you guys do want a protective case, you can either choose a black, a white, a red, or a blue one. It will simply cost an extra $1. Now the Redmi AirDots S is a very popular wireless Bluetooth earbuds that has been sold over 4,900 on Banggood. And then if you do want a protective case, all you have to do is simply click on select right here, and then you can add blue case, red, white, or black, or simply go without a case by tapping on the black option. I'll also have a discount code down below description which will save you 35%. To apply the discount code, all you have to do is simply add the item to your cart by click on add to cart and then go to your shopping cart. Next thing you'll do is simply click on checkout, and it's going to bring you to this page. You can simply choose the shipping method that you want. The insurance right here that costs 52 cents is just in case if your product gets lost, stolen, or damaged during the shipping, and the total cost is going to be $30.41, which I think is a really good deal. You can either purchase the product by PayPal, a credit card, or debit card, or simply pay with Google Play. To apply a coupon, all we have to do is simply click on coupon right here, and then apply the coupon, which will be down below description, and then click on exchange. And as you can tell, the grand total right now is $21.31. The coupon is worth $9.10, so it's a huge discount, about 35% off. So yeah, let's check these out. So once you receive the package, we do have the earbuds in the front of the box with the brand on the top right. The name of the product will be in the bottom of the box, Redmi AirDots S. Basically the updated version of the Redmi AirDots. On the side of the box is going to give you some informations like Bluetooth 5.0, and in the back of the box you're going to have some informations which will mostly be in Chinese. This is mostly informations on the battery. So yeah, let's check these out, see how good they are. Let's remove them from the box. As you can see right here, we do have the earbuds wrapped in a plastic. Simply remove them like this by sliding it out. We do have the brand Redmi right here. Other than that, in the package, you're going to have some interchangeable ear tips, some large and some small. And finally, in the box, you're going to have user manual, which will be in Chinese. Unfortunately, this version is the Chinese model and it is not the global version, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to use it, how to pair it to your device. So here are the earbuds, the Redmi AirDots S in a black case. Now the case itself is really small, really compact, and they are extremely light. It is fully made of plastic. Let's open the lid, and as you can see right here, we do have the earbuds itself. And the lid of the case is actually not loose at all. It does feel quite premium. It's not going to close itself unless you use some force. And on the back of the case, you're going to have some informations on the battery once again, and the model name of the product. Now I just want to quickly mention that this is going to work on iPhones and also on Android devices as long as your device is compatible to Bluetooth. Now instead of having a button like the AirPods Pros, these are going to have a physical button. The advantage of having a physical button is that you're not going to accidentally click on the button to pause or to play when you're watching a video or movie. So battery on the AirDots S is going to last around for 2 hours, with an extra 12 hours in total with the case. Now one feature that I would like to test out on these earbuds is the game mode feature. Now that feature, once it's activated, you're not going to get any delay or latency playing video games or watching YouTube videos. Once you have removed the stickers, all you have to do is simply put back the earbuds in the case, and as you can see, we do have the red pairing button. Simply close out the lid and then reopen them, and then you're going to take them out of the case. Make sure that your Bluetooth connection is turned on your smartphone, and you're going to see the pop-up on the Bluetooth setting. And as you can see, they are connected. Now I'm going to test their sound quality and see how good they sound. Let's kind of listen to some music. So the sound quality of the Redmi AirDots S is going to be really good. A lot of bass, a lot of the clearness, and these are actually quite better than some AirPods 2s and Pro clones that I've tested on my channel. What I like about these is the comfort. I'm not feeling any pain using these earbuds. Usually I prefer the AirPods 2s over these type of earbuds because these are hitting my ears, especially with these types of ear tips. But for some reason, these do feel comfortable in my ears and I'm not having any pain. This is a microphone test of the Redmi AirDots S. This is how it sounds without any editing at all. Coming straight from the earbuds itself. Is it better than the other earbuds that I've reviewed so far? And these obviously are not going to have any ear detections, ear sensors, but you're going to have the physical button where you can play or pause. So let's test them out, see how good it works. So to play or pause the music, all you have to do is simply tap once. And then as you can see, the music does play once again. And it stops. If you double tap on the left side, it's gonna bring up Siri. So whenever I'm watching a video, there's a slight delay, slight latency of less than a second. But if I triple tap on the earbuds, doesn't matter if it's a left or the right side, 1, 2, 3, I can tell that it did adjust itself and there's no more delay or latency watching a video. I also tested on PUBG Mobile and there's actually no delay when you activate the game mode function by tapping the button 3 times. So I want to quickly do a size comparison, a size perspective, these versus the AirPods 2s and also the AirPods Pros. So right here, the Redmi AirDots S are way lighter than the AirPods Pros and they're even lighter than the AirPods 2s. So here the case between the Redmi AirDots S and the AirPods 2s, they're almost the same size. Now comparing to the AirPods Pros, as you can tell, once again, really similar when it comes to the size and the thickness is slightly different. You do have some size difference. The Redmi AirDots S are the smallest when it comes to the stem and the AirPods 2s are obviously going to be, the longest one, and the AirPods Pro is going to be a little bit shorter than the AirPods 2s. But when it comes to the size, the Redmi AirDots S do have the most compactness. So yeah, these are the Redmi AirDots S. I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out, and also the discount code of 35% off. Overall, I think these are really good when it comes to the price. These are extremely light when it comes to the weight, really compact, really small size that fits well in most pockets. No delay watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or playing games like PUBG Mobile. These are one of those products that we can say that you're getting what you're paying for. $22, I think it's an extremely good deal. Nice weight, nice quality, nice sound, and overall packaging. Shipping was quite fast, about 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, these are the Redmi AirDots S. If you did enjoy watching the video, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys very soon with another video. Peace out.